Well, in this video, we are going to find the square root by long division method. So we have a number 3136 and we are going to use the long division method to calculate the square root of it. Let's learn how do we do that. So to start with, we'll write 3136 in a bracket like this. And now, because it is a square root, so we'll do the pairing of two numbers. So 36 becomes a pair and 31. Remember, we'll do the pair from the right side. As we did the pair from the right side, we can see there is a pair of 31 as well as 36. Now we'll see the number 31 first, as we used to do the division in a long division way. So we do the same method but in a different way. So we'll see the 31 first, but as a pair, we'll not see 3 and 1 as an individual. It becomes a pair now. And we'll try to speak in our mind the squares. So the square of 1 is 1, which is smaller than 31. Now the square of 2 is 4, which is also smaller than 31. Square of 3 is my 9, and 9 is also less than 31. Then let's take a little bit jump. The square of 5 is 25. So 25 is less than 31. What about square of 6? Square of 6 is 36. Now 36 is bigger than 31. So we'll go with 25. We'll write 5 over here. 5 times 5 is 25. So 31 minus 25 is 6. Now we carry down 36. Remember, in the usual division way, we used to carry down the number 3 first. But over here, as we say in the starting that 36 becomes a pair, so we carry down 36 together. Remember, it's a pair. Now again, as we are calculating the square root, so that means square means multiplying a number by itself only two times. So we'll multiply 5 with 2. 5 times 2, that means we'll double the number 5. So what's the double of the 5? Double of the 5 is 10. Now here comes the catch. We need to think of a number like this. So 1 0, we need to make it a 3-digit number. For example, 101, and we need to multiply it by 1. Or we need to think like this, either 102. If we are thinking as 102, then we have to multiply it by 2. If we are taking it 103, then we need to multiply by 3. And we need to make sure that the answer of the multiplication comes to be near to the 636. So let's see, 101 times 1 is 101, which is very much smaller than 636. Now 102 is 2 times 2 is 4, 0, 2 times 1 is 2, so 204, which is also very much smaller than 636. Let's not do with 103 with 3. Let's move a little bit ahead. Let's take 106 times 6. Now 6 times 6 is 36. 3 over here carry, and 6 as it is. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 plus 3 is 3. And 6 times 1 is 6. So we got the number 636. So 106 times 6. So we'll write 6 over here. 106 times 6 is equal to 636. And the remainder is 0. Now the remainder is 0. So that means the square root of the number 3136 is equal to 56. So that is how we can calculate the square of a given number. Again, let us try to understand through one more example. Here we have the another number 98,596, whose we want to calculate the square root. Again, we'll calculate the square root. First, we'll do the pairing. So we do the pairing from the right side, 2 to numbers pairing. Now what we can see it over here, that the 9 left blank. 9 is will not be able to make the pair. So let's proceed further. What we have to do. Now in this one, again we'll make the this kind of table 9 6. Now we do the pairing again, these two numbers, and 9 is left alone without the pairing. We'll find the squares. So the square of 1 is 1, which is way less than 9. Square of 2 is 4, which is again less than 9. Square of 3 is equal to 9. So we'll go 3 times 3, and the answer is 9. The subtraction, the remainder is 0. Now, as we spoke earlier, we carry down 85 because 85 is a pair, so 85 will carry down together. We cannot carry down 8 first and then 5. We have to carry down 85 together. It's a square root, so we now double the number, whatever the number over here. So the number 3 is over here, so the double of the 3 is 6. Here is the next part. We need to figure it out. We need to figure it out like this. So 6 times 6, and there is a unit number that we need to think about. The same number we need to multiply by it. For example, if we are taking 61, we need to multiply by 61. We need to multiply by 1. If we are taking 62, we need to multiply by 2. If we are taking 63, we need to multiply by 3. The same way. Let us see. It is 85. So it will go 61 times 1. So 1, 6. 61 times 1 is 61. And the remainder is 5 minus 1 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 24 is the remainder. We'll carry down now 96 over here. Together, again, it's a pair. Now, again, what's the number over here? The number over here is 31. So we'll do again the double of 31. The double of 31 is 62. Now we need to think about a 3-digit number like this. Let's see. 6, 2. If we are taking 1, we need to multiply by 1. If we are taking 2, we need to multiply by 2, and so on and so forth. What am I thinking that if I take 624 and multiply by 4, my unit digit will come 6. For example, 4 times 4 is 6. Let's try. 4 times 4 is 6. 16. 1, 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 times 4, 24. Aha. So it works out. So 624 multiplied by 4 over here, the result is 2496, and it is going perfectly. So the result is 0. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 98,596 is 314. So that is how we can calculate the square root of the bigger number like this using the long division method. Again, the long division method is very helpful because it will be able to calculate the square root of a larger numbers. Also, it's very much precise and crystal clear. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we'll try to figure it out about the square root of some of the numbers using long division method. You can post your questions in the comment down below. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the Mathematics Masters, and keep watching the videos. Bye bye.